Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to give you 5 great tips on how to make your house more inviting and attractive to potential buyers if you're currently preparing your house for sale. Alright guys, so tip number 1 is going to be to clean, declutter, and depersonalize a space. What depersonalizing means is making sure to put away all of your personal belongings, such as clothes, family portraits, or any pictures you may have of you and your family. The reason why this is so important is because when potential buyers walk through your home, you want them to be able to envision themselves living there with their own belongings. Tip number 2 is going to be to make it smell good, but not too perfumey. Think room deodorizers, scented candles like this. Make sure to take the trash out. Also, if you have pets, make sure you clean out all kitty litter or any other belongings of your pet that might cause it not to smell fresh. There's nothing like a smelly place to turn a buyer off. Tip number 3. So tip number 3 is going to be to draw all of your curtains, open windows, and let the light in. There's nothing worse than walking through a dark and drab house. Tip number 4 is going to be to hire an interior design consultant or stager, or you can ask us. It's really important to invest in something like this. It's going to give you the greatest return on your investment because these people are professionals and will be able to give you great suggestions on how to maximize the space and layout of your house. Some things that they might suggest is to spruce up your decor or maybe rearrange furniture to maximize the layout of the house. They might ask you to take away some things or maybe even add a few more things. Whatever it is that they suggest is always going to be geared toward appealing to the masses. Tip number 5, boost your home's curb appeal. The easiest way is going to be to invest in some fresh greenery, or maybe you can buy some new plants, maybe plant some new flowers, and a new welcome mat is always a nice touch. It's really important to boost your home's curb appeal because you want to make a great first impression as buyers pull up to your house. Alright guys, that was it. That was my 5 top tips to making your home more attractive and inviting for potential buyers. As always, if you have any questions about the sale of your home, you know how to reach me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!